Hey YouTube, I just wanted to post a how-to video to fix an electric oven. So ours stopped working, stopped heating, and did some testing. First I checked the broil was working, so I pulled the cover for the bake element and it turns out that it was broken. So what we did then is we got the model number. I mean, it's not necessarily in the same place on yours, but you're able to look for manufacturer parts. Ours is a Kenmore. Sears went out of business, but luckily enough, you can still get parts from Sears Part Direct. Aside from that, I was able to find it on Amazon for much cheaper. So if you can do that, save yourself some money. But the whole point of this video is a do-it-yourself video, so you can save money, not have to call out a technician or appliance repair guy to do something that's really, really simple that anybody with a Phillips screwdriver can do. So I'm just gonna get to it, and it's gonna take literally like 5 minutes. So this is the cover. Now it's stained. So it comes straight up. And you can see right here where it broke. And the only thing holding this in is 2 screws. So Phillips screwdriver, they're gonna be pretty tight in there, so you're gonna have to really push to get them to turn. Make sure to use the right sized Phillips. If not, you're gonna strip this out and it's gonna be a lot harder, a lot longer process. Just pull that, move it out of the way, make sure you don't lose the screws. And then you're going to pull the element out. Don't freak out, that's insulation, just make sure to push that in place. So you're just going to see these 2 connectors on there. Before you do anything, make sure to pull the breaker. So next, just pull these off with some pliers. Tighter than the other one, come on. And you can throw this one away. You can see it's exactly the same. Same mounting flange, same little stands on there. So you just plug it in the exact same way it came off. Push that in. Line it up with the holes. I like to line up the sheet metal parts first. Oops. And just a good tip, make sure you line up all the screws first before you crank them down, because you might get some misalignment in there. And these are sheet metal screws, so you don't want to go crazy tightening them, because if you strip it out, it's just going to turn and turn and turn. And that's it. Just put back on the element cover. Turn back on the breaker and you're done. That's it. Saved yourself 70 bucks, 100 bucks. You can buy yourself a nice steak dinner or cook it yourself.